when you simply just ask virologists, as I have done and other molecular biologists, like, why can't you isolate, purify, characterize, and sequence a virus directly from the fluids of a sick person, which is where you're claiming that it is? It's not like I'm claiming that. You're claiming that this obligate intracellular parasite consisting of a proteinaceous coat surrounding a core of genetic material is inside the fluids of a sick person, transmitted from that person to another person, causing illness. And why can't you prove that it's actually there, which is what you're saying? Here's what they typically say. The virus is too weak to isolate or purify directly from the fluids. Okay, let's think about that. You say it's too weak to isolate or purify directly from the fluids, but it's this highly pathogenic entity that lands on a surface, survives on a surface for upwards of 2 to 3 days, if not a week, makes it to a body, makes it to a cell, breaks into the cell, hijacks the cell's machinery, begins a replication process where it's excreted out of that person, does the same thing over again, but it's too weak to isolate or purify directly from fluids. Not only does that not add up logically, but it's still fallacious because it's begging the question of the existence of the virus before actually establishing that they exist. And it's also a reification fallacy because it's assigning characteristics to something that is still fundamentally abstract and not concrete and proven in reality. Or they'll say there's not enough virus present to isolate or purify directly from the fluids. Okay, anyone can Google this. How many virus particles are in one sneeze or one cough? Some results will say 20 million. Some results will say 200 million, whatever. They're saying there's not enough of this highly pathogenic entity inside the fluids of a sick person to isolate or purify directly from the fluids. Doesn't make sense.